We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for to smash that like button. So when you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Muln stock, Muln Automotive Inc. And the stock is trying to find support after rallying in the beginning of the day and pulling downwards. Now, it's not the only stock pulling back. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 7:05 a.m. sent out a bear indicator. And from that moment forward towards the bell and after the bell, put options went up 150 to 200% plus within an hour, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets in either direction. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Muln stock trying to find support and pull itself back up. We're going to talk about some key levels based off the chart, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, and both of them gave jumps at 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was EFOI. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards towards the bell, sat sideways a few minutes after the bell, and finally got strength there on 42 vision plus a bull indicator, and you could see that full move within minutes, giving a highest point of 40% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Muln stock, and as I stated earlier in the video, it jumped up earlier in the day, pulled back down. It wasn't the only stock. The overall market has been reacting this way, but Muln stock has tried to find support, right? I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources, maximizing in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So yesterday, Muln stock was under a bear indicator and consolidating. In yesterday's video, I talked about supports and resistance. It got a bull indicator in the aftermarket hours, sat sideways, and today things started pulling back down, and we are now at a bear indicator intraday, canceling out this bull indicator. Now, we do have some key levels to watch here with support, even though it switched over to a bear indicator, but within the volatility on the 30-minute, we have a bear indicator now, right? Now, on the 4-hour, you could see here how things just got a bear indicator yesterday, try to come back up, and today we went from dark green with green borders to dark green with red borders again, and this bear indicator has been dominating the chart since around 129, and we're slightly below that, right? Now, on the 1 day, you could see here how we got a bull indicator, and we went from dark green with red borders yesterday to today with dark green with green borders. So this dark green with green borders is a shift into strength in the bigger picture. Now, if this quickly shifts back downwards and we get another dark green with red borders to the downside, that can possibly be the beginning of going into dark green with red borders or even red bars that could eventually cancel out this bull indicator. Now, in the bigger picture here on the 1 day though, we just shifted back up to dark green with green borders, and if these bars continue to the upside, that is going to be very impressive and interesting. And excuse my terrible drawing, I am not that great at drawing, but I like to just show you guys the bigger picture of it going upwards and these dark green bars continuing without red borders and this bull indicator holding true. which is what I'm trying to map out here. And that's what I'm going to be watching on MULN stock on the 1 day, because even though on the 4 hour we have the point of weakness so far, right, showing us that it's going into dark green with red borders, and it has a bear indicator. In this volatility, the 1 day is still showing some strength, and this is the first bear indicator that pops up since way back here on May 13th within the volatility. So we still need to see this hold up support to actually show that there could be some strength in the bigger picture. But right now, just sitting sideways, fighting within the volatility. There has been some small moves, but nothing significant just yet, other than the significance of rejecting 168 and coming down to 112, right? And right now we're in the 120s. So the first support is the low of the day, 124. If that gets broken through, the next support is 120 and then 110. Those are the key levels I'm watching to the downside. And to the upside, I'm going to be watching the high of the day, 140. We definitely want to turn that into support and break out from there and have a continuation of shifts and get another bull indicator in the process to then work its way up towards the resistance levels up here of 154 and 167 and break out and possibly even get more shorts squeezed out of their positions with the pressure of it going to the upside. So in the bigger picture, the 1 day showing a bull indicator. I'm going to definitely be watching that closely because things have shifted back down quickly. But on the 4 hour, we just got a bear indicator about a day ago. And this is just 1 day of consolidation and sitting sideways. Nothing too significant to the downside just yet. But breaking below 110 will be significant. And breaking above 140, 150 will definitely be significant to the upside going into the beginning of next week. I'm going to be watching how 42 Vision reacts. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Are you holding any MULN stock? And how do you see this going moving forward? Because it's been a really strong move since way down here at around 97 cents all the way to 168, came back down, and right now it's showing a lot of strength above $1. To receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some